Hi, I'm Chris from Fully Charged Guildford, and this is the Form Buxton E. It's a folding e-bike, and we're just going to show you how to use it. Starting off with the main power button, which is just under this rubber flap here. So you just press the middle button on the display, and it will light up. So the screen will show you the battery level on the top, the speed underneath, and then the number is the assistance level. So the plus will increase the assistance level up to 5, and the minus will reduce it back down. 0 means that the system is on, but the motor won't give any assistance. So if you just want the lights, for example, and you don't want to use the battery for the motor, then that would be the setting you'd have. Then on the handlebars, you've got rear brake, front brake, you've got twist grip gears. So this has got a 6-speed system, derailleur gears. It's a twist change, and it's got the gear indicated there, but please note that with derailleur gears you need to be pedalling, i.e. moving, in order to change gear. So this bike does come in one size, and because of that it's quite adjustable. You've got a quick release lever on the handlebars which can raise or lower them. Make sure that's tight again before you ride off. You've got the same quick release system on the seat post. If I pull it right out, I'll just show you there is a faint mark on the seat post. You mustn't have it beyond that point for safety reasons, so I'll just put it back down to that. So the beauty of this bike is that it folds, obviously. So let me just put the side stand up. The pedals fold like so. You just give them a squeeze and fold them over. Then there's a small catch on this main lever on the handlebars. Pull that up, and then the handlebars fold down. Then you undo the main catch on the frame. It's got a little safety retainer there, and then you spin round like so. Obviously that makes it much easier to get into the corner of an office or into the boot of a car, wherever you want to stash it. And then just to get it back, you obviously reverse that process. Let's put the side stand down. Make sure that the little nut goes under the catch, and that goes tight back in. The same thing applies on the main catch. Make sure that's tightly in place, and off you go.